Inspection results don't have to start a tug of war. Here's a calm playbook for choosing repair or credit without losing momentum. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann, and I help sellers throughout the Hudson Valley. Step 1, triage the list. Sort items into safety, water, and wear and tear. Safety and water get priority. Cosmetic items are usually a pass. Write 3 columns so the choices are obvious. Step 2, price reality. Call a licensed pro for one quick estimate on any larger item. Put the number next to the line. For small items, note parts and a simple labor guess. Numbers remove emotion. Step 3, choose your move. If timing is tight, a credit can keep the calendar clean. If buyers are nervous about a safety item, a repair with a receipt can calm the room. Sometimes you can offer a capped credit and keep control of the work quality. Step 4, write it clearly. State the number, what it covers, and how it's applied at closing. Keep the language simple and match the contract format. Step 5, protect tone and time. Set a short response window and keep the messages factual. A steady tone helps everyone say yes. A quick example, a seller faced 6 items. They fixed 2 safety issues, offered a capped credit for a roof flashing repair, and passed on cosmetics. The buyer accepted and the contract stayed on schedule. If you want a simple grid to run numbers and options, use the pricing positioning worksheet for the credit math and the prep to list checklist for the repair tasks. The links are below.